How are people able to pull rocks from one place to another? Well, you can use heavy machinery, a truck, or a wheelbarrow to haul something heavy to a different place. Haul, a fancy way of saying pull. What's the first sound in haul? Oh yes. Number 2, haul. Well, there's 3 different ways of spelling aw. Your kindergarten teacher taught you this one. And then there were 2. Good. It's actually this one. Why? Because aw is in the middle of the word haul. So we spell it with A-U. One more. Haul. Excellent. I love it when you look at it even before I touch it. One more time. Aw. Oh. Haul, as in hauling rocks from one place to another. Nah, they're too heavy, so let's not use any glue today. Whenever a word has the sound aw in the middle of it, spell it with A-U. Haul. Let's sound it out together. Aw, oh. And that, my friends, is how you spell aw in the middle of a word. These plants want to thank you for watching.